Hi my friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Spring with Spring Soulful Home, and you can find me here under YouTube under that name, and you can also find me over on Instagram at Spring Soulful Home as well, so be sure to give me a follow there as well. That way you can keep up in between all the YouTube videos and just kind of get a more what I'll be posting. So in today's video, as you can see behind me, I have new appliances. So a couple of mine actually went out in the past few weeks, and we recently purchased these ones, and so I'm super happy about it. We got just all new appliances for our kitchen. It is going to be an adjustment because our other refrigerator, they were too large side by sides. Like one whole side was a refrigerator, the other was a freezer. And recently we just had the refrigerator here because the freezer didn't fit, and we had the freezer in our garage, and it was just a long, like oversized refrigerator space. So it's gonna take some adjusting to get used to because this is a side by side, and we're gonna keep our other refrigerator in our garage just for like when we overstock or when we buy like 2 or 3 weeks worth of groceries at a time, just because I'm not real sure how it's gonna go, so we'll see. But I'm super stoked that I have new appliances. So for today, what I'm gonna do is I'm just clearing everything out of my old refrigerator. We couldn't really put any food in this one. We had to wait 24 hours. So I have all my food out on our counters, and I'm gonna clean this one out and just start putting my food in. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. And also my husband and our boys will be working on they're going to be getting like a new cabinet. And one of the things that we had been talking about for some time was painting our cabinets. I was originally going to paint the top cabinets white, and the bottom like that royal blue, the same one that I painted my dresser. I really like that color, but after thinking about it, I'm just gonna paint all of them, all of the counters, the tops and the bottoms white. And our countertops, my husband is gonna be doing those. He's gonna be doing concrete countertops. He had done that in our upstairs bathroom, and it came out really nice. So he's gonna be working on just these 2 countertops probably this weekend, and he's going to kind of take it in sections, and then the following weekend or whenever he's able to, he's going to start going all around, and then we'll get like a new sink and everything. So definitely some big changes, and I look forward to having you guys along as we make these changes. It's super exciting for me to see how things look before and then the after, so I'm really grateful that you're here. Be sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications. What I am going to be doing just to keep you guys more up to date is, alongside for me posting on Mondays and Fridays, I will be posting a video another time during the week. I'm not 100% sure when yet. We'll see how that goes, because I know this weekend I'm gonna also just be painting the walls in here. It's kind of like, I think it's like a white color. I can't remember the name, but I'll show you later. And then, oh excuse me, the counters or cabinets are gonna be white, and the walls are gonna be, it's a white mocha, and the cabinets are, I can't remember the name of it, but I'll share that with you guys. So as I mentioned, I'm going to first start off by cleaning out my refrigerator, putting all my food back in there so we can put the other refrigerator in our freezer and get it out of our family room. That's where we have all our old appliances right now. So I'm going to get started on that. Right, my friends, so I know our refrigerator is new, but I just wanted to give it just a good wipe down just with some warm soapy water before I put our food in, and just make sure it was all nice and clean, you know, kind of like when you move into a new home and you know it's been cleaned, but you feel like you maybe need to just put your own hand on there and make sure that it's cleaned yourself. I don't know, but that's what I did in this case. And then I'll just be stocking it back up, and my son is helping me take out the food from our other refrigerator and putting it into this one. So yeah, I'm glad at least, you know, our day by day essentials all fit in this refrigerator. So I'm really grateful for it, and we're loving our new refrigerator so far. So I'm used to like the longer shelves, and this one, I mean, it is deep, but I do like that the shelves pull out, so I do like that. And the only other thing is like these drawers, they seem, I mean, they're good. It's brand new. I'm not complaining. Like I said, it's just gonna take some getting used to, because our other refrigerator was like a full size, like a side by side. So I mean, the drawers seem okay. They're not bad at all. We'll just see how it goes. I can definitely fit 4 gallons of milk right there, which is great because we go through about 5 a week, and I can fill this whole shelf with our eggs. And yes, we go through that many eggs a week, having, you know, 5 boys at home. They definitely eat a lot of eggs. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start filling this up with food. So my friends, I'd like to know, like, what are some things that you know that you always have to keep stocked up in your refrigerator? For us, it seems like it's milk, eggs, flour tortillas, of course lunch meat and cheese slices, yogurts. Those are some of our main things that we keep stocked in our refrigerator. Let me know what you all make sure that you keep stocked up in your refrigerator. So I filled up our meat tray with like 2 big packages of pepperonis and cheese, and bought like extra toppings because over the weekend I had planned on grilling pizzas, and it was something that I used to do like a long time ago with our kids. You know, during the summers when we lived in Arizona, we'd my kids would swim, and I'd set up our umbrella over our picnic table with the misters, and I would grill for our family. And one of the things that I loved was grilled pizza, and my husband and kids were asking me what I wanted, and pretty much that's what came to my mind, was that I wanted to have grilled pizzas. And I'm so glad that we did. Our youngest daughter, she made the pizza dough, which was absolutely amazing, and she put the pizzas together, and it only took like 12 minutes for the pizzas to be done on the grill. Now, of course, we left our pizza stones on there, let them get hot about 15 minutes before we grilled them, and they were done, and my family absolutely loved them. Some of our family brought over some of their own favorite toppings, and it was amazing. Like, I would highly recommend doing that. And it was just such a great time this weekend with our family. We all had a really great time putting our pizzas together, and just brought back a lot of memories when our kids were young and they were recalling when I had grilled the pizzas and they were swimming, and we're just having a really great time. So yeah, I would definitely recommend grilling some pizzas. It's a really awesome way to pass the summer if you're outside grilling.
All right, it all fit.
Well, no, it didn't all fit. We have some other stuff in our other refrigerator, but my boys buy themselves food like for meal prepping or for their lunches for work during the week. So I think I'm gonna have to have them store that food in our other refrigerator in the garage, because that's what's still in the other freezer is like all their packaged meals and like broccoli, asparagus, their meats and stuff like that. So yeah, that's gonna have to go in there. And a lot of the stuff like the pepperoni and bell peppers and stuff, I bought that for this weekend. It's Mother's Day weekend, and we're gonna be making homemade pizzas and just like pasta dishes and stuff like that. So I know like a lot of that, and like the cheese, That's gonna all be used this weekend, so I know that those drawers will die down a little bit. But other than that, this is pretty much what we go through, and I need to go get out my meats, like what I know I use on a weekly basis, and just keep them here in the freezer. And then what I use like throughout the month, I'm just gonna keep it in my other freezer in the garage. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And this weekend I'm going to be painting the walls in my kitchen and the cabinets. So I will be putting up a video of that. Plus we have this other countertops and cabinet going in. So I'm super excited for you all to see the transformation. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those bell notifications on so you can see the transformation in our kitchen, which I'm super stoked about. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Again, thank you all so much. You all have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.